Mama, ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum 60. Geburtstag und noch ein langes Leben und viele weitere Geburtstage. Ich danke dir, dass ich so eine gute, hübsche und kluge Mutter habe, die mir immer in meinem Leben so viel bedeutet. Ich könnte mir gar nicht vorstellen, eine andere Mutter zu haben. Danke, dass du immer für mich da bist und mir im Leben den richtigen Weg weist. Hier sind all deine Freunde und Familie in einem Video. Viel Spaß und nochmal alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Hello, my sweetheart. The most wonderful wife in the world has birthday today, and I feel blessed that you are by my side until the rest of our lives. You are the sunshine of my heart, and you are the air that I need to breathe. Darling, I wish you all the best on your birthday, and God may protect you all time. I love you, my sweetheart. Mahal kita forever. I love you.
Hallo Joyce, alles Gute zu deinem 15. Geburtstag. Es ist ja heute der 15. Ich wünsche dir alles Gute, ein langes Leben, Gesundheit, Schönheit, hast du ja selber. Passt auf euch auf in der Türkei. Und ich wünsche dir für deinen speziellen Tag alles Gute und kommt gesund wieder. Ich vermisse euch. Passt auf euch gut auf. Alles Gute in Liebe und ja, das war's eigentlich, was ich sagen wollte. Ich hoffe, dir gefällt das Video, was ich gemacht habe. Tschüssi.
Hi, Te! Happy birthday! We wish you all the best. Just be happy. Don't worry. Just be happy.
Happy birthday, Sisi! Sabi nga ni Jojo, stay happy. Deserve mo yan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We love you!
Love you.
Bye!
Hi ate! Greetings from Las Vegas, USA. Kamusta ka na? For sure, pag nakita mo itong message ko sa'yo, nasa bakasyon ka na. But anyway, I just wanna wish you have a happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best. Wish you always in good health. And mag-enjoy ka sa iyong bakasyon kasi you deserve it. And sana marami ka pang matulungan ng mga tao na maging healthy na katulad mo. Okay? So, have fun on your birthday. Have fun on your special day. You really deserve it. God bless. Bye. Thank you for being my good ate as always. You are the best ate. Okay? I love you. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye!
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday sa'yo! And I thank God for giving you another wonderful year full of love and happiness. So, wish ko lang din sana patuloy kanyang bigyan ng maraming blessing para yung blessing na yun patuloy mo ring ma-share sa iba dahil alam ko na ganung klase kang tao na gustong-gusto mong i-share kung ano yung blessing na natatanggap mo. And I'm very proud and thankful na ikaw ang eldest sister namin dahil alam ko ang mga sakripisyo mo. Salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa family natin at salamat sa pagiging responsableng ate sa aming lahat. So, wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo, syempre, ang iyong health, alagaan mo, at happiness, at peace of mind, and more blessings to come so you can share it with everyone as well. Okay? Happy birthday! I love you! Bye-bye!
Hi Joyce, happy birthday. Balita ko 61 ka na. Mas tayong dalawa, magkasing edad. No, I'm just kidding. So happy birthday and wish ko more birthday to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Joyce. Happy 60th birthday, Tante Joyce. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Happy 60th birthday. Sana lagi kang happy. Ingatan mo yung kalusugan mo. Happy birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan, Joyce. 60 ka na. Miyembro ka na ng senior citizenship. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon sa araw-araw na iyong buhay. Happy birthday ulit!
Hello! Ate Joyce, happy birthday! Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. O, si Nanay.
Hello, happy birthday Joyce. Sana humaba ang buhay mo, sa karamdaman, humaba ang buhay nang abutin ka ng 100 years. Okay ba?
O, Manchang, happy birthday sa Ninang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Mama. Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Joyce. Thank you sa pagiging mabait mo sa amin magkakapatid, sa mamit daddy ko, lalo na sa daddy ko, sa pagmamahal mo sa daddy ko. Ate Joyce, thank you. Happy birthday ulit. I wish you happiness and good health and many more birthdays to come. Thank you, Ate Joyce. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Hello Joyce, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maligaya ka ngayon sa iyong kaarawan. Bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay.
Joyce. Hello, Sister Joyce. Ayun pala, nakauna. Hello, Sister Joyce. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Father bless you.
Father bless you. Stay healthy and beautiful.
Wish you many more years.
Happy birthday, Sister Joyce. We love you. From
Bremerhaven
chapter.
Sisters. From Bremerhaven Sisters.
Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your birthday.
Cheers!
Father bless you.
Father bless you. Tama na. Ayun pala, nag-ano na. 42 minutes na. Awesome.
Hallo Joyce! Alles Gute zum Geburtstag!
Happy Birthday!
Bleib gesund!
Und schöne Grüße hier vom Hamburger Hafen, von den Landungsbrücken.
Ja, bis dann, ne?
Alles Gute!
Ciao!
Tschüss!
Hello, Ate Joyce! Ayan, I just want to greet you a very happy 60th birthday today, and I hope that God will bless you more and more, physically, spiritually, and health-wise. Ayan, all I can say is Ate Joyce is a very good friend, a very good kumare, and a very good ninang to our daughter Zoe, and she's a very supportive sister in Christ and as well in business. So I would just like to greet you a very happy birthday, and I hope that yung mga wishes mo will come true and God will bless you financially, even sa yung family and for your marriage and everything, lahat all in one. God bless you and have a nice, very good celebration. Bye!
Happy birthday, Sis Joyce. Father bless you always.
Hallo Joyce, ich wünsche dir alles Gute und Liebe zum Geburtstag und vor allem Gesundheit. Feiere den Tag schön und einen schönen Urlaub. Tschüss, bis bald.
Hallo Joyce, meinen allerherzlichsten Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag wünsche ich dir. Bleib wie du bist, vor allem gesund und munter Gottes Segen möge über dich allzeit ruhen und dich überall führen und beschützen, wo immer du gerade bist und was du gerade machst. Ich wünsche dir wirklich alles erdenklich Gute zu deinem Geburtstag. Ja, mir geht es soweit ganz gut, wie du ja siehst, und ich habe mich hier auch sehr gut eingelebt. Wäre schön, wenn ihr da mal vorbeikommt, aber jetzt genieß erst mal deinen Geburtstag. Ja, ich wünsche dir alles Liebe und Gute. Hab euch lieb. Tschüss.
Hello Joyce, happy birthday. I wish you every blessing, every luck, Gesundheit, and everything that you want to have and expect in life na makuha mo. Happy birthday. Thank you also for everything and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate Joyce, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo na maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo at magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings para makatulong ka pa sa maraming tao. At God bless, lagi mong ingatan ang sarili mo dahil hindi na tayo bumabata, tumatanda na tayo. So yun lang, and love you. Bye-bye. Joyce, happy birthday! Ang sasabihin ko lang sa iyo, good health always. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Joyce. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung kabutihan ng iyong puso. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Joyce. More blessing pa to come. Ingat.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless!
God bless! Happy birthday!
Ganda kayo.
Remember me? Well, I'm Gerald. When you're here in Manila, I'm your personal driver. Well, Mom, I know it's your birthday today, so I'd like to greet you happy birthday. Thank you for everything. When you're here in Manila, the trip, what is called this? Basta, when you're here in Manila, you take care of me when I'm hungry. I'll try to be what's it called this? Take care of you. Well, that's it. Happy birthday, Mom. God bless. Welcome. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Miss Joyce, my friend. How are you? Way back then in 2005, I worked with you and you are my boss. And as a boss, you are a perfect blend of professionalism and kindness. A wonderful woman. Your strength and inspire me every day. And since then, you are one of my inspiration as well. And now, you are far away distance or miles away distance, but I just wanted you to know, in this day of your special day, I want to greet you a happy birthday. And may you have many more blessed birthday to come. I don't know how to say this in German, but I just wanted to try if it is right, and correct me if I'm wrong. How do you call this? Alice Good Zimbuasta. All the best for your birthday, and Goseni, or God bless. May you have many, many blessed birthday to come. I wish you all the best. God bless, more power, and I love you.
Hi,
Hi, guten Tag, Joyce. Herzlich Glückwunsch zum deinem Geburtstag. Wish you the best and stay healthy. Of course, stay beauty and continue your journey, like travel and see beautiful country. And of course, enjoy life. And again, happy birthday. God bless you. See you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello! Wishing happiest 60th birthday to our incredible Yuzana partner, Miss Joycelyn. May your passion, wisdom, and heart continue to inspire a lot of people. Wishing you a year filled with joy, health, and fulfillment. Happy birthday again, and enjoy Turkey and celebrate love with your family. Happy 60th birthday!
To my dearest sister Joyce, you are my inspiration since 2019 when we go to Ukraine. You are my inspiration. You gave me the whole aspiration of this last few years, and I cannot forget you in all of my life as a sister, as a loving mother, as a best friend. All of those you teach me, or I follow some of your good deeds. Yeah, and may the Father bless you always. I wish you a 60th birthday. I love you.
Hi, Sister Joyce. Happy 60th birthday. Father Almighty, bless you more abundantly in all aspects of your life. Your sister in Christ, Madeline.
Hello Joyce, heute ist dein Geburtstag und ich wünsche dir alles Gute und ich möchte nur sagen, wir kennen uns seit 3 Jahren ungefähr und wir haben bis jetzt noch gar nicht persönlich getroffen, also persönlich kennengelernt. Bis jetzt haben wir immer nur per Video gesehen und ich hoffe, demnächst können wir uns sehen. So, Joyce, heute zu deinem 60. Geburtstag. Du bist immer eine Inspiration für alle anderen und ich weiß, dass du die immer gut inspiriert die Leute. Schon dein Name, Joy, du bringst immer glückliche Momente und teilt das mit denen. Und ich wünsche dir natürlich weiterhin zu deinem Jahren, dass du noch mehr Leute gut begleiten können, dass du weiterhin deine Liebe und deine Fürsorgliche und deine, dass du die Leute inspiriert, dass du dann das weitergibst. Und ich wünsche dir, dass du heute zu deinem Geburtstag gut amüsierst, dass du deinen Tag gut verbringst und ich wünsche dir wirklich alles Gute im Leben. Tschüss! Viel Spaß noch in Türkei! Ciao!
Hallo Joyce! Alles Gute zum Geburtstag! Ich wünsche dir einen wundervollen Tag, viel Freude, gute Gesellschaft und natürlich die beste Gesundheit. Mögen dein Jahr volle Erlebnisse und Glück sein. God bless you always and your family. Happy birthday again. Here is Tita Mel. Tschüss.
Hallo Joyce, ich wünsche dir alles Gute zu deinem Geburtstag. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, viel Gesundheit und Gottes Segen. Habt einen schönen Urlaub, genießt es in der Türkei und kommt gut wieder nach Hause. Liebe Grüße, tschüss.
Hello Ate Joyce, happy birthday. Babasahin ko lang yung greetings ko kasi hindi ko memorize. Happy birthday. I hope your day is amazing and special as you are. On this day, a very special person come into the world and I am grateful for your true friendship. Hope your birthday is amazing as you are. I wish your love, hope, and everlasting joy and more blessings to come. You're someone I can always count on, and I hope you feel the same. Happy birthday to the person always there in my ups and downs. You have brought so much joy to so many people's lives for your business. I hope that joy fills you back up today and every day this year. Happy birthday, Ate Joy.
Hello, Ate Joy. Surprise! Happy 60th birthday and more blessings to come. Good health always. Long life. Pasasalamat ako sa kabaitan mo sa akin. Umiintindi lagi at matulungin pa sa kapwa. Malaking ginol mo talaga sa mga bagay-bagay kahit ano pa. At ang sagot mo, okay lang. Yan lang, hindi ko nahahabain. Baka naman tutulong paluwa ako dito. Wag naman. Have fun and enjoy to the max to your 60th birthday. At sa vacation ninyo. Bisbal, bye-bye. God bless.
Hello Joyce, I want to greet you a 60 happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your life. Thank you for being you. You're always there for all the help I need. Just enjoy yourself and take care. God bless you.
Hello Joyce.
Hello, Joyce.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joyce. Happy birthday to you.
Herzlichen Glückwünsche zu deinem Geburtstag. Wir wünschen dir alles Liebe. Soll dich Glück und Gesundheit stets begleiten.
Danke, dass es dich gibt. Vielen Dank für deine Freundschaft. Dafür, dass du uns immer unterstützt hast. Dafür, dass du uns immer unterstützt und wir uns auf dich verlassen können. Beste Grüße aus Eichstätt.
Alles Liebe.
Alles Liebe.